Hello guys, are you guys tired of paying $100 or more on cable bills or subscriptions? Today I bring you the Get Media X1 HDTV converter box. So this is the box. It comes with a built-in DVR. This is the power source. It comes with a remote control, HDMI cable, very easy to use. Install this antenna. So it's a win-win situation here. Save money, but still get to watch your favorite shows. Just gonna attach this cable here on the back that connects the TV to the box, and then last we connect the power source cable. So this is the antenna that came with this set. So we're doing a quick search. Let's see how many we can find. Okay guys, so we just finished our scan and we found 58 channels. So now we're gonna be connecting. You can see very nice quality. Channels to choose from. Oh, that's very nice, very good quality. With the menu, then you can also choose the channels from here. That way it's easy to find the channel that you want to watch. I have some movie channels as well with a very sharp image. We even have some kids channel. Have QVC channel, a game show. Okay, that's pretty cool. Even some Spanish channels like Telemundo. Some local channels here in Florida. Some sports channels as well.
Everywhere. Did you know that the cost associated with auto repairs cost Americans on average $7,500? And let's face it, when it comes to those costs, it's not if you'll need repairs, it's when. Now more than ever, you can't afford to be driving without...
Gonna save you money. You're still gonna enjoy a lot of channels for free. You're gonna get a very crisp image for free without spending a dime, just like a small fee up front, like when you buy the box, and then you're good to go. You don't have to pay any subscriptions at all. So I'm very pleased with this GT Media. So my friends, get rid of your cable today or satellite and get your GT Media box X1 converter right away. Order yours today and get some special discounts.